So Telesin just sent me a necklace. But it's actually one that you can put your GoPro or your phone on to get a really nice POV shot. So let's just see how it looks, and we'll do it quickly because it's Thursday. By the way, welcome to another 30-second Thursday on this channel. My name is Danny Black, and if you are new and like gadgets and gizmos and this kind of stuff, make sure you don't be a stranger to the channel. Click that button right there. I also put links to everything we're talking about down in the description, plus a coupon code and a surprise link. So out of the box, this is real nice. Look at how detailed this is. It's like bendy. It's like what Gumby is made of. Gumby. So you click this button on the back and you can open it up. You put it around your neck. Oh, it's comfortable. You find that spot and push in, click. Gotta get it right. So that's the tricky part. Oh, is it down? Once you get it right the first time, yeah, then you'll remember how to do it. So you put the mount that comes with it on it, and there's a magnet on the bottom of it. And I guess you just put it on there. Let's see. Yeah, is that it? Then you can flip it up, you flip it down. They also include this little attachment right here if you want to do a vertical video with it. So I've been using that necklace a lot to get some really good B-roll. I put my phone on here, I put my GoPro on here, and it's great for like those POV shots when I'm trying to do something with both of my hands, especially like riding a scooter or using this Scorp gimbal that I'm reviewing soon. And I love how quick and convenient it is, and also just travel friendly. It takes up like no space. The older one I was using is like plastic and just not as comfortable. This one is way more comfortable. Let's try this again. See how quick? Oh, that was quick. Yep, it's on there. And then, yeah, if you want to take this thing off, you just twist it clockwise and pull. And then you put it on. It just like fits into place with that magnet. That's great. Also, if you have a phone mount that goes to like the action camera mount, this one is the snap mount one I'm using. You can just do the same exact thing and you can get some really good POV shots with your phone. And it's just so quick and easy. I'm just thinking of anybody that's doing like garage work, maybe somebody that's making videos, maybe you're cooking and your hands are busy. It's just an easy way to get that POV shot, a really nice POV shot without, you know, just having crazy like head mounts and stuff like that. And you can pick this up for under $30 and you can save some more with my coupon code. So do check that out down in the description. Time is up. Thanks again for joining me on another 30-second Thursday. I got some really cool product reviews coming up on this channel, so make sure you stay tuned and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.